Namaste everyone. Today I wanted to talk to you about the topic which is very dear to my heart, and that's the topic of meditation, especially meditating with your birth chart. Do you actually ever meditate with your birth chart? See, we often look at our birth chart, we analyze it, we intellectualize it very much on this mind level. But sometimes if you focus just on this aspect, just on that approach, you can miss a lot. Which is why, learning how to meditate on your birth chart and knowing how to meditate with your birth chart can be sometimes a greatly revealing experience. Also, from my personal experience, meditating with your personal birth chart, your houses, your grahas, even your nakshatras, can be sometimes one of the most transformative, one of the most liberating and healing experiences that you can get. Very often I was recommending to people who came to me for a reading to simply meditate with some of their grahas, some of their planetary placements, or entire houses, or even with entire birth chart. But quickly I realized that very often people do not know how to do that, how to approach it. So I decided to structure it into a simple 3-hour workshop where we dedicate a little bit of time to theory, to explaining the entire process, and then the rest of the time we spend on actually going deeper into meditating with your birth chart and trying to connect with it by perceiving the divine with it. And you see, this is the most beautiful aspect really of Vedic astrology for me personally, that it teaches you how to look at life with divine eyes. Because in Vedic astrology, you see every planet, every star, every zodiac sign is some divine manifestation. We do not perceive it as just some arbitrary cosmic force. We perceive it as incarnation of the divine, manifestation of the divine. And the moment you realize that all those different divine aspects, they are governing your life, they are guiding you in life, they are taking care of you in your life as well, you will start looking at your life very differently. You will start looking at your life from divine perspective and from perspective of this divine observer seated within you in the core of your heart. And this is really what this workshop is about, to provide you that perspective, to show you how to look at your chart differently, not from the mind level, but from the heart level, connecting with it. Because sometimes such a simple act as simply sending to your planet or to your house your gratitude, your respect, your forgiveness, your compassion, and your love can be the most healing thing that you can possibly do. So that's our focus on this workshop. I hope that you will enjoy it. If you would like to sign up for this workshop, you have all the links below. If you're interested, I also made just an MP3, of the meditation itself, a slightly different one than the one taught in the workshop, which you can also re-listen to whenever you need. So you'll find the link to that one below as well. Namaste.